Hi, my name is Jackie from Root to Hero Plumbing. I work for customer service. By the end of every Friday, we do coaching. And coaching is when your lead tells you what you did wrong and what you did right, and then you just go from there. My mom and my dad, they taught me how to be very humble. They just taught me how to be me, and yeah, they just inspire me to just keep going. My favorite place in the world has to be Disneyland. I love Disneyland. I just love it so much, especially Star Wars Land. That's my favorite. I love Star Wars. If I could be any animal, I have two animals. I would be either a stingray or an ostrich, because they're just both my favorite animals, and I feel one stingray is because they're in the ocean and I love water. I just love it. And then ostrich, I just always love them because they're so fast and they're big birds. The craziest thing that I've done is, I would say, bungee jumping. Yeah, bungee jumping was really fun.